Welcome to Summarize Science. Have you ever wanted to add Hollywood-style special effects to your own videos, but didn't have the skills or the expensive software? Well, a new AI called VFXMaster might be the answer. It can take a special effect from one video, like this person turning into stone, and apply that same effect to a completely different person in a different setting. Previously, generative AIs that create visual effects had a major limitation. You had to train a separate, dedicated AI model for every single effect, which is incredibly time-consuming and expensive. These models were also fundamentally unable to create effects they hadn't been specifically trained on. VFXMaster solves this by using a new approach called in-context learning, essentially treating effect generation like a visual copy-and-paste task. Here's the basic idea of how it works. You give the AI two things: a reference video that contains the visual effect you want to copy, and a target image that you want to apply the effect to. The model is smart enough to isolate just the effect itself, like the motion, texture, and dynamics of the transformation. It uses a clever technique called an in-context attention mask to make sure it doesn't accidentally copy the person or the background from the reference video, preventing weird and unintended results. And the results for effects it was trained on are incredibly impressive. Here you can see it applying effects like crumble or the Harley transformation with high fidelity, creating a dynamic and coherent video from a single starting image. But its real superpower is its ability to generalize to effects it has never seen before. These out-of-domain examples, like clothes rain or turning a room into an aquarium, show that the AI has learned the underlying principles of effects, not just memorized specific ones. This is a massive leap for creative freedom, as you're no longer limited to a preset menu of effects. For very difficult and unique new effects, the researchers also built in an efficient, one-shot adaptation method. This lets the model quickly learn the complex details of a new effect from just a single video example, acting as a quick study mode. So, let's recap the breakthroughs here. The researchers have created a single, unified AI that can imitate a huge variety of visual effects by learning from an example video. It successfully separates the effect from the content, preventing unwanted visual leakage. Most importantly, it shows strong generalization, meaning it can create effects it has never been trained on. This could completely change the game for content creators, making high-quality visual effects accessible to everyone, from social media users and indie filmmakers to game developers. The ability to simply show an AI what you want, rather than describing it or programming it, could be the future of creative tools. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.